In this video, we will learn how to block people from seeing your Instagram stories. So let's begin.
So to block people from seeing your Instagram story, the process is easy and simple. So it is same for Android as well as iOS devices. So you don't need to worry if you are on Android. First, making sure that you are connected with the internet, simply go and open your Instagram app. Here we go. So once the Instagram app is open, you need to tap on your story on the left top corner. Tap on this and now you can add your story. But before that, you can see a settings gear at the left top corner. So here we go, just go and tap on this settings gear at the left top corner. And at the top, you can see hide story from. Hide your story and live videos from specific people. Tap on this. And here you can simply go and select a number of people that you want to block or hide from seeing your story and tap on done. So it says the now true people are hidden from seeing your Instagram story. So hope it has helped you in blocking the people from seeing your Instagram story on Android as well as iOS devices. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.